All right, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be installing the Rhino Rack air dampening fairing for the top of the roof rack. It creates a really annoying whistle, so I went ahead and purchased this. We're not only going to install it today, we're also going to wrap it in a carbon fiber looking vinyl wrap. Now my car does have some carbon fiber accents on the interior, so kind of wanted to match with the exterior as well. Not trying to look cool, not trying to prove a point. You know, it's not real carbon fiber, I know that. We're just trying to make it look cool. If it doesn't look good, it's vinyl, we can rip it off, start over. First thing you want to do is go ahead and clean your roof rack. There's a lot of bugs and stuff on there, and you're not going to be able to clean it very easily when the fairing is on. So go ahead and clean that, prep the surface, and then we're going to go ahead and unbox and prep the surface for wrapping. And we're going to go ahead and wrap the piece, the air fairing, and then we're going to install it. So we ran into a problem. I bought the largest one I could. I think it's a 50-inch. So it's 50-inch because I wanted it to cover actually the end caps of the roof rack. I think it would look better that way. And a slightly smaller one just didn't look right with my car. So I went with the largest one I could get, and it's actually too large. So what I'm gonna have to do, because I'm gonna wrap it, is I'm gonna drill 2 extra holes before I wrap it, and then when I wrap it, these extra holes will be covered up. Is pretty not too bad for the first time doing something like this. It's a basic Amazon buy, pretty cheap. It was like 25 bucks for the vinyl, about 100 bucks for the air fairing. The only reason why I did this is because I wanted to test the strength of an Amazon product like this, but also I'm getting the car professionally wrapped in about a year or 6 months, hopefully under 6 months. And while they have it wrapped, I'm gonna have the fairing wrapped the same color as well. No teasers just yet. Pretty cool color though. It's a matte color, it's gonna be cool. Anyways, appreciate you guys watching this video. If you guys learned something, drop a like. If you liked the video, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.